Hi, I'm with Badger Basket, here to go through the assembly instructions for the Voyage Twin Carriage Doll Stroller. Before we get started, make sure you look at all the pieces included. If you're missing anything or have any damaged parts, please contact Badger Basket as shown in the end of the instructional video. So let's get started. For step 1, you need part A, the stroller frame. So for this step, what we're going to be doing is unfolding the frame of the stroller. So we're first going to take this handle part and lift this all the way up, and it will eventually click into place. Then next what you're going to do is you're going to take this next frame piece and you're going to pull it up like so. Now when you look at the frame piece here, what I want you to see is this metal clip and this metal pin. What you need to do is take this bar, you need to push down on it just a little bit, gently but firmly, until it locks over this metal pin. Also, there is this safety device right here. This needs to be in this metal pin to make sure it's securely held into place. Eventually, when you fold down the stroller, you will have to lift this off, but for right now, when putting the stroller together, make sure that this metal pin is going through this plastic tab here. For step 2, you need 2 of part C, the small wheels, 2 of part D, the large wheels, 4 of the E caps, and 4 of the F retainers. Next, we're going to be putting all the wheels into place on the stroller frame. I'm first going to start with these smaller wheels, and where these are going to go is into these plastic pieces that you'll see on the stroller frame. What we're going to do is we're going to put this metal axle here going up through this piece here, and then we're going to be taking one of these retainer clips and we're going to be popping it onto the end of this metal axle sticking out. We're going to want the larger side going towards the wheel, smaller side away, and you're just going to push it on there until it clicks into place. At this point, it shouldn't be able to come off. Then we're going to take one of these caps, we're just going to put this over, and we're going to gently but firmly push it down until it completely covers that retainer. Like so. We're going to repeat the same thing. I'm going to turn this around so you can see it here. Again, putting this wheel up through the bottom here. Putting this plastic retainer clip on here. Again, large side going towards the wheel. We're going to clip it into place, and then we're going to put the cap over it so that you can't see the clip anymore. Like so. So next we're going to do the 2 bottom wheels, or the 2 back wheels. These black pieces that you see on here, these come on for packaging purposes just so that the boxes don't get torn through. So we're just going to pull these off. These you can put right in the garbage. They're not needed for assembly. So what we're going to be doing now is taking the larger of the wheels. We're going to put these onto the axle in the back here. Again, putting that retainer clip on, so a large end going towards the center of the stroller. Clip it into place. Again, the cap over the retainer here. And clip it into place like so. I'm going to flip this over here. Doing the same thing. So now up here, going to put it onto the axle like so. Put the larger end in towards the wheel, clip it into place, and lastly, put the cap over that clip like so. The last part for this step is we're going to flip this up here, and we're going to adjust the handle. Now you're going to see this plastic button right here by the handle on both sides. What you need to do is you need to push this in on both sides at the same time and then rotate the handle to adjust it to the height that you want it. And then you release these buttons on both sides and it should be held into place. For step 3, you need part B, the stroller seat. So next we're going to be putting the stroller seat onto the stroller frame. What you're going to see is these plastic clips on each side that need to go into these plastic inserts on the stroller frame. We're going to position them over on each side and then pushing down gently but firmly until it clicks into place on both sides. Like so. Now to adjust the seat itself, you have these buttons here on both sides that you can push in, and then you can tip the seat how you would like. Now you also have this seat canopy that we're going to fold up into place. You're going to see this hook and loop tape going along the whole edge here that needs to go or adhere to this hook and loop tape on the back of the seat here. So I'm going to fold this around here, get this attached so that the canopy is held into place. Now for this stroller demonstration, I have it where the seat is facing forward. In the case that you decide to change your mind and you want the seat to be pushed with you facing the seat, you can push this large button here and on the other side simultaneously, which will actually spin the whole handle to this side so that now you can push the stroller with the seat facing towards you. Again, pushing this large button here on both sides, and you can just as easily change it to the other side so that now you're pushing it with the seat facing away from you. Now in the case that you want to fold the stroller down for storage or travel purposes, I'm going to show you how to remove the seat and to compactly fold this down. So first I'm going to kind of get this canopy here pushed back a little bit. So we're going to start by removing the stroller seat. So to do so, we're kind of going to do this in reverse. You're going to push in this tab here and you're going to pull up on the stroller seat. And you're going to do this on both sides here, pushing in the tab and pulling up on the stroller seat so that the seat itself can be taken off of the stroller base. Next, what you're going to do is this metal bar here, we're going to pull back on it a little bit and we're going to start to kind of fold it up so that this doesn't hook on that metal pin anymore. Then you're going to pull up on this plastic safety tab so that it detaches, and we're going to continue to fold until the wheels are folded together. Lastly, what you're going to do is you're going to push on this big button here on both sides simultaneously, and then we're going to fold the whole handle all the way back until it lays flat. You can also, if you'd like to, you can also take this handlebar and fold it inward, again pushing on this button and the one on the other side at the same time. And if you'd like, you can put this handle in just so it's flat as well and out of your way, like so. Then your stroller is a little bit more compact to take with you to go or for storage. And that concludes the assembly for the Voyage Twin Carriage Doll Stroller. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, to please contact Badger Basket as shown in the next clip. Badger Basket thanks you for watching and enjoy.